The key components of this circuit are 12-volt battery, isolator switch, pre-fuse box, main fuse box, combination switch, instrument cluster 2, park lamp relay, round head lamp LH, round head lamp RH and round head tail lamp LH, tail lamp RH, switch illumination, pre-fuse pigtail to front chassis, A2 pole, front chassis to main wiring harness, A2 pole, main to front chassis 36 pole, front chassis to rear chassis 26 pole. The pre-fuse box consists of fuse PFB3 with rating of 40 amps. The main fuse box consists of fuse F11 with rating of 5 amps and fuse F16 with rating of 5 amps. The components are grounded via earthing points. 12-volt battery negative terminal black color wire is connected to the battery ground. Park lamp relay terminal 85 black wire is grounded in the cabin power inductive. Round head lamp RH and round head lamp LH black wire grounded in the cabin power resistive. Tail lamp LH and tail lamp RH black wire grounded in cabin power resistive. Instrument cluster 2 high beam light internal grounded. When combination switch is off position, the 12-volt battery voltage red wire supplies to the in terminal of the isolator switch. When isolator switch is on, the voltage supplies from in terminal to out terminal red wire to pre-fuse box fuse PFB3 with rating of 40 amps, which splits into two wires at a splice via two 2-pole interconnectors. One lead wire passes to park lamp relay at terminal 30. Second lead wire passes to main fuse box, fuse F16 with 5 amps rating further to the combination switch at pin 9B positive. When the combination switch is turned to on position. When park lever is on position at combination switch, the voltage supplies from B positive to pin number 13. From the pin number 13, the red wire passes to the park lamp relay at pin number 86, which engage the switch at pole 87. In addition supplies the voltage to the main fuse box fuse F11 with rating of 5 amps. From fuse F11 with rating of 5 amps, the voltage supplies gray wire to a splice which further split into 4 wires. First wire lead pass through switch illumination at switch DPF regeneration. Second wire lead passes through a splice which further split up into 2 wires. One lead wire passed through head lamp RH at pin number 4 and another lead wire passed to the head lamp LH at pin number 4. The third wire lead passes through the instrument cluster 2 at pin 8 park lamp switch. Fourth wire passes through a splice which further split up into 2 wires, that passes the voltage at pin 4 of tail lamp RH and tail lamp LH through 36 pole and 26 pole interconnectors.